Hello storyboarders, my name is Eric and today I'm going to introduce you to storyboard templates. Now what is that? Let's do a little bit of reading. So a storyboard template is a visual planning tool that we use to map out key elements of a story, video, animation, whatever it is you are looking to make. Now a storyboard is typically a series of boxes or frames that help to represent a sequence of events in the story, and we include some space for text or brief description to give your storyboard some context. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more in depth, you can read this very informative article with the link right here, What is a Storyboard? And if you want some inspiration, you can check out any of our many pre-made templates. Let me scoot over a little bit. If you look in the left-hand menu, you have a ton of options. Now, let's do a quick walkthrough of one of the storyboard templates. So I'm going to go under Most Popular, and let's select Character Map. Scoot me back over again. Now we have all these fantastic pre-made templates, so let's pick one. I'm going to go with this guy right here and just click the Copy Template button below. Now this will bring you directly into the Storyboard Creator, which will then prompt you to give your storyboard a name. So we're going to call this Template 1 and then click Continue. Alright, now this is where we get to customize our storyboard template. You can add characters, items, update the text, change backgrounds, whatever it is you want to do. So we have this nice placeholder for a character, so let's add in our own. So I'm going to delete this other one, and I would like to add a baseball player. So if you go up to your character menu, and under the sports category, let's find a baseball player for us. Here we go. Now to add a character, all you have to do is drag and drop them into your storyboard, which will then prompt you to customize your character. You can update facial expressions, poses, colors, whatever it is you would like to change. When your character is updated, just click the Update Pose, and there's your character. Now you can move them anywhere you want in your storyboard, as well as resize them. Just drag the corner of the image. Let's make them nice and big. And there we go. Now next is items. You can browse items in the items category, as well as search for a specific item in the upper right-hand search menu. So let's see what baseball-related items we have. So got a ton of options. Let's go with a catcher's mask. Just drag and drop. All right, that's a little small, so let's make that fit. There we go. Now you can update the color as well in the right-hand menu. So let's make it a little bit easier to see. Now, next is text. Now you can edit any of the pre-existing text boxes. All you have to do is select and put in your own words. So let's give this a bit of direction. So let's call this a character map of a professional athlete. Now you can change the font as well as its size. Just highlight what you want to change and go into your text editor. It feels pretty baseball themed. Let's make that a little bit bigger. All right, perfect. Now if you want to add any additional text boxes, just go up to the speech bubbles menu and select any one of these categories. Now, when you're all done with your storyboard template, all you have to do is click the orange Save and Exit button in the bottom right-hand corner. And that is how you make a storyboard template using Storyboard That. Thanks for watching, and happy storyboarding.